So ayan, magluluto ako. Kuha muna ako ng bulaklak. Kasama to sa aking kasiyahan. Pwede na siyang bouquet for the wedding. Kasama ang ating wisteria flowers. Wisteria. Ayan. Wisteria. Ayan, ganda niya. Wisteria flowers. So how to make a grata? You cut. This is how to do it. Swiss chard. We'll cut the Swiss chards. Since malalaki, ayan. This one, the bark, what do you call this? The stalk, the stem. Just take the stalk and then you cut into 3 pieces kasi masyadong malapad. See? Take off the bark ba tawag dito? What do you call this? String. Take off the string. Kasi ma-fiber. Ayan o. May mga string. And separate yung leaves. Separate yung leaves. Take off the string. Ayan, mga fibers. So, yung leaves ilagay dyan. Yung leaves kaysa yung, as you know, kaysa yung bark niya. What do you call this? Yan. This. Take. Separate. Ayan. tanggalin yung not good ones. Just itira the good ones. So that's it. If malalaki yung tangkay, slit mo siya in 4 pieces. Yan, ni-slit ko siya. And then you cut in small pieces. This naman tayo about the leaves. You cut also na slanting. Yan. Para madaling i-cut, you just fold. Yan. Of course, this is for my garden. Ayan. Compost. So next, the cheese. You can grate it or you can cut in small pieces. Ang ginagawa ko, I cut in small pieces kasi it's longer pagka grated, samantalang ito mas madali. So about how many grams this one? It's about 250 grams na cheese, and then you cut in small pieces. Yan, this size pieces. So it's done. Now we have to cook. So I already put water, and then I'll put this. Let it boil or just put it. I'm not waiting anymore until it boils. I just put this about covered siya. Kasi if hindi siya cover, it discolors, become black. So you have to cook it until it's tender. Yan. For how many minutes we'll see. Cover. And we'll wait for about 5 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, I will cook bechamel. I don't know how do you say it in English, but they call it bechamel. So I'll put about 1 teaspoon, half multi cereal flour, half spoon, about 2 na lang, 2 tablespoons of white flour, and 1 tablespoon of multi-cereal flour. That's my receipt, huh? That's my receipt. Some just put white flour. So I'll put butter, about I'll just measure this size, about a finger. That's enough for me. So a finger of butter. Yan. Medium fire. Yan, lalagay ko siyang ganyan. What I do is I put a little, what do you call this? Muscad. What do you call this in English? I can't remember the name. Muscad. Muscad, or it's muscad. Muscad. Yan. I have to grate this. Grate. I have to grate a little in order that it has a little flavor. Yan. Just a little. Look, I just grated just a little. And then we cook. Yes. And then we cook. And then we do this until the butter is melted. So just slow fire, huh? Slow fire. About 3 yung fire. So 3. So the butter's there inside. The whisk. I use the whisk. I will put milk later. You can put milk or you can put almond milk. I'm also into lactose intolerance, but then if it's cooked, I tolerate it. So you try this one. When it's cooked, it's good. Yeah. So the butter is melted. Now I will put this one is also cooking, boiling. So I'll put now milk. I'll put milk and you just stir. So you just cook. Slow fire lang. Slow fire. And now the consistency is good. So this is ready. You can just switch off the flour, and the milk is now thicker. So you can just take it off, switch off the stove. Yeah. So it's good. It's done. So sometimes at the corner of the kettle, kasirola, may nag-i-stick na unmelted. Just scrape it like this. Yan. But it's not, hindi ganong madami. It's okay. This is cooking. So this is partially cooked. It's fast. Huh? So then I'll put the leaves. It's fast. Maybe this is just about 5 minutes, or not even, about 4 minutes. What I do is I can do like this also. Para yung bottom niya is matouch ng water. So that's it. They mixed. done. You put a little salt. Yeah, that's it. Yan, it's cooked. So, it's done. Malambot na yan. It's okay. So, empty the water. The bechamel. Then you put the cheese on top. And that's it. Okay. Then you put in the oven. And then you put it in the oven. So, ayan, 10 minutes. 10 minutes ilagay natin. 10 minutes cooking na grill, and then 200, 210, 220. Ayan, luto na. Luto na siya after 10 minutes. Napiti. Oh, it's cooked. I put it for another 3 minutes. Para ganyan ang kulay niya. Diba? Bon appetit. So, ayan, baon ko. Kuha ko.